Hi, my name is Marie and welcome to my YouTube channel Marilet's World. On this video, I'm going to make an Amish friendship bread. A good friend of ours sent me the friendship bread starter and suggested I blog about it on my YouTube channel. So for anybody who's been given an Amish friendship bread starter and thinking about doing it, here's a video. Amish friendship bread. These are the instructions up to day 1. Do not use a metal spoon or bowl for mixing. Do not refrigerate. If air gets into bag, let it out. It is normal for the batter to rise, bubble, and ferment. Day 1. This is the day you receive bread start. Do nothing. This is the bread start I received today, September 25, day 1. Second day, Amish Friendship Bread Starter. We are supposed to mash the starter. I hope this bag is very strong. It's gonna be in there for 10 days. I hope I'm doing it right. Mash, mash, mash. It did not say how long to mash it for, but I did it. There we go. Day 3 on the Amish Friendship Bread. Day 4, mash the bag. Day 5, mash the bag. Day 6 of Amish Friendship Bread. Day 6 instruction: add 1 cup flour, 1 cup sugar, 1 cup milk, and mash the bag. I only have unbleached flour, and that's what I'm going to use. 1 cup flour going in the bag. 1 cup sugar going in the bag. And 1 cup milk. This is a very strong bag. 6 days in and no leak. There we go, day 6. Amish Friendship Bread, day 7. Mash the bag. Friendship Bread, day 8. Day 9, Amish Friendship Bread. It's the 10th day and we're going to bake the Amish Friendship Bread. These are the instructions on the 10th day. So we'll pour the entire content of the bag into a non-metallic bowl. I'm going to use this plastic bowl. Add 1½ cup flour. I'm using unbleached flour. 1 cup and ½ a cup. 1½ cup sugar. 1 cup. ½ a cup. 1½ cup milk. 1 cup. ½ cup. To mix the batter, it says do not use metal spoons or bowls. So I'm gonna use this wooden spoon. mix, I'm going to measure out 4 separate batters of 1 cup each into gallon Ziploc bags. I'm gonna use 1 gallon freezer bags because I think these plastic bags are stronger. So this is 1 cup. Ooh, it's messy. So I separated 1 cup batters into gallon Ziploc bags, and I'm supposed to give 3 of them away and keep 1 starter for myself. I'm supposed to give this away to my friends with a copy of this recipe, but I'm not sure if my friends have time to do this every day, mash the bags. Now I'm supposed to prepare the remaining batter for baking. Add 3 eggs. One cup oil. Half cup milk. 1 cup sugar. 2 cups flour. 1, 2. 2 teaspoons cinnamon. That's 1. That's 2. 1½ teaspoon baking powder. That's 1½ half teaspoon baking soda. Half teaspoon salt. Half teaspoon vanilla. 1 large box instant vanilla pudding. 1 cup raisin. This is a workout. So it says grease the loaf pan. I'm going to mix half cup of sugar and 1½ teaspoon of cinnamon to dust the bottom of the pan. There you go, cinnamon. I'm going to dust the bottom and sides of this loaf pan. Now it says pour into 2 loaf pans, but I'm just going to do 1 loaf at a time. We have 1 pan. Now I'm going to sprinkle some sugar and cinnamon mixture on top. Just sprinkle. Preheat oven to 325 degrees. Now we're gonna bake for 1 hour. It's rising. Here's the Amish Friendship Bread. It's still warm, but I'm going to try to cut it. It's like raisin bread. The bread is actually pretty good. It is soft, pudding-like, tastes like raisin bread with cinnamon. It is delicious. So here's the second friendship bread. I made a loaf pan out of a big foil tray. And this is the first one. They are delicious. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and click the thumbs up button. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, Marilet's World, and check out the playlist for uploads on couponing, DIY, restoration, food-related videos, and other product reviews. Have a great day.